Hey, I'm Mike. This is a quick reference guide for all of the layer blending modes in Photoshop and Manga Studio. We are on Color Dodge. Color Dodge is an interesting mode. So the way that this one works, and here's how we have our layers set up. The bottom layer is a scan from a piece of art I did, and the top layer is just set to Color Dodge. So, like some of the other modes, this one has to do with silver halide photography, like color burn, but uh, this one's a little bit more versatile. So the way that it works is the colors in the lower layer become brighter and the contrast lower. So it's going to squish the values together. And an important thing is that if you paint black, it's just going to leave everything as is. So as you get lighter, the greater the change. So to demonstrate that, I am going to pick black to start, and we're going to overlay this. Now we have a black layer on top. So if I set it to normal, it's just a black layer. Go back to Color Dodge. Now, we can just grab any grayscale value and use it to dodge to brighten and intensify and smush the values together of any area. So we could do that by, now you see how so in this way it can be used to brighten, just to get the little areas, but it is going to, because it's going to, it lowers the contrast, it's going to change some of the values. So this is a very interesting tool because it's not destructive because you can turn it off at any time. But do you see with it on, do you see how much white is there? Like pure white right in here. And now when we turn it off, so it does change the values. Another way that you can use this tool is, instead of using this overlay layer and kind of chipping away at areas that you want to highlight, you can pick a color and go and lighten that way, as if it's sort of combining color mode and lightening at the same time. So if we wanted to, we could get this kind of change the color of this effect here. If we wanted to, we could change this whole cape, So it's a way of making pretty drastic changes to your image, both in value and in color. It's a super powerful tool. And of course, if you just wanted to create a little bit of glow or a little bit of a reflection off of a shiny material or something like that, it's really good for creating sheens and either like a leather jacket or a woman's satin shirt or something. I've used Color Dodge to kind of create these big spots of lightness. But yeah, that's how it works, and good luck. Good luck using it. It's a beast. So I would recommend everybody just start with a black layer and chip away at little areas just to get a feel for it and see how the calculation works and which brushes are going to make the biggest changes in value as it changes the contrast. It's very unique in that it changes the contrast as it's going. And if you're thinking about contrast as, it makes the lights lighter and the darks darker. So what value wasn't black before might be black now, or might be white. So yeah, it creates really interesting, intense effects, and I hope this video has been helpful. I'm doing there's a video for every single one of the modes here, just a quick little 5-minute thing, just to give you an idea of how the calculation is made and how you can use it. Okay? like, subscribe, and if you have a question or comment about video, please leave other questions about things I may have done or other videos that I can make in the future. Thanks, guys.